Hey guys, our other video cut off, so we're gonna redo our effects. Okay, she just hacked up snot on my keyboard. Anyway. Oh. What the heck? What's your dog on? Crack. Crackers! This isn't funny. Girl! Ew! It smelled like shit! Oh. No, wait. Stank, man! Alright. Stank! It's like a black. I can't wait to hear that. What do you want from me? Something's on the cat food. That was you. Look at this. Oh. Fatty, you're like, stop. Wait, stand up for a minute. Big old cow. That's what happens when you eat at McDonald's. We were just there. Get up! Oh! Remove the computer. Okay. I didn't think it was that fat. Oh! You look like my freaking great grandmother. This one's wavy. Yeah, let's stop this here. I don't think they want anything from you.